Now I call Mr. Kamna Sahu for his paper presentation on the title A Lightweight and Efficient Model LWE Identity-Based Encryption Schemes for Post-Quantum Security. So over to you, sir.
Raipur. Today I am going to present our paper Lightweight and Efficient Module LWE Identity-Based Encryption Schemes for Post-Quantum Security. This work was done with the collaboration Dr. Srinivasa KG sir and Dr. Satyanarayana Ulala sir. So these are outline of my presentation. So let's start. So traditional public key cryptography like RSA, ECC was this algorithm is broken by the source algorithm, because nowadays development of quantum algorithm, our security is on risk. So how we can secure our data from quantum attack as well classical attack. So there is a need for some algorithms which is like post-quantum cryptography. Post-quantum cryptography is a public key encryption which is secure our data from classical attack as well quantum attack. So to address this context, one is the identity-based encryption or IBE. The identity-based encryption is a tool which the public key is derived by the user's identity, like user's identity like phone number or email ID. So the problem is that in existing crypto system like existing LWE or module LWIB is suffering from large key size. LW is a lattice-based cryptography. So these are like post-quantum algorithm, but still this algorithm is facing storage. So next, why I choose this topic? So identity-based encryption is an attractive tool for IoT and decentralized system. Existing schemes impractical for deployment because of the large storage. So this is a critical issue. So the goal is to design lightweight identity-based encryption, which is secure and efficient. So related work, the identity-based encryption is introduced by the SEMIs. Then it is made by practical by Bonnet-Franklin by using pairings. Then in a lattice-based scheme, Gandry, Picard, and Wackenton introduced trapdoor lattice-based identity-based schemes. Still, this algorithm is still facing large key sizes. Then, in recent development, like recent algorithm like Approx trapdoor and NTRU, which is based on DLP-IB and Latte, this algorithm is improved their performance and security, but these are still facing the large key size. On this base, I find how we can reduce the master public key size and master secret key size. So I propose one algorithm, the lightweight module LWE identity-based encryption schemes with seed-based key compression for post-quantum security. So here, I use a standard IBE structure, which is based on 4 algorithms: setup, extract, encrypt, and decrypt. The 2 innovation is seed-based master public key and master secret key compression, and second, a dual mode benchmarking. So seed-based compression store only 32 seeds for MPK and MSK, and regenerate using SAC-256. Also, dual framework, we also compared here full storage and compressed storage performance. So it's also here we measure exact byte level key and the ciphertext size, and we also analysis different parameters, security parameter, which is lie between 80 bit to 256 bit post quantum security. The IBE flow like setup first generate based on the security parameter, we generate master public key and master secret key. Then using the master secret key, we use master secret key trapdoor to derive identity specific like secret key. In encrypt section, we use master public key and identity to encrypt the message. Then in decrypt, recover message using identity secret key. So these are proposed scheme algorithms. In setup, we give sets. N is a lattice dimension, Q is a module. So first we generate, here is two things. A full mode generate a full matrix A and a secret and a T, which is a matrix. If it's a compressed mode, we generate seed A and seed T of 32 bits and regenerate A and T by sec256 on demand. Then extract. Here has the identity. So we use here trap.t to solve a.r. R is a sort vector and t is a trapdoor. Trapdoor is a secret is a secret information, means solving the public matrix A, which is impossible to solve, which is a NP hard. So we use the trapdoor here. Then in encrypt sections, we encrypt the message using the identity ID. Here we generate two ciphertexts U and V. Then decrypt sections, we decrypt the message using secret ID. So these are our results, performance analysis. We can see in full mode, the master public key size and master secret key size is in a megabytes, which is in compressed mode, it is only 32 bytes. And encryption and decryption time is still same, but in terms of extract time, in full mode, it's good, like it's take very few times, but in a compressed mode, it's take more times due to a regeneration of the matrix seed matrix A and T. And we also analysis with different parameter, with different post-quantum security between the bits like 82 to 56 bit. Full mode store full. A and T is a fast performance, but in a compressed mode, we store the seeds, and the size is very reduced. It's like a 99.997% reduction. We also compare our results with previous papers, like one of the paper is mod LWE, and one of the paper which is based on approx trapdoor and NTRU based trapdoor. Our scheme is a save master public key size and master secret key size. We also analysis dual mode evaluation, extract byte, multi-parameter testing, ciphertext size, and post-quantum security. These are post-quantum secure. So conclusion, so proposed a lightweight module LWE IB with this is a seed-based compression, reduces master public key and master secret from megabyte to only bytes. It's reduced 99.99%. It's negligible impact on encryption and decryption. Strong candidate for PQC. We already know lattice-based cryptography is a prominent candidate nowadays in a NIST organization finalized three algorithms: Crystal Kyber, Crystal Dilithium, and SpinCess Plus. So one of these, Crystal Kyber and Crystal Dilithium, is based on the lattice-based cryptography. And we can say in the future work, we can extend this work with hierarchical attribute-based and reoccurable identity-based encryption, hardware optimization, side channel resistance, and extend to other lattice primitives. These are differences. Thank you. Any questions?
Any question? Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.